Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Phantom.Strategies. So it's May 15th, 9:14 a.m. here in US Eastern Time. I want to bring you a quick update on Tron. It's been a while since we talked about this coin, and want to bring you a quick update mainly on the technicals. And there might be a potential a breakout for a Tron coming up, so I want to bring you that update and give you my thoughts on it. So right now Tron is trading at 7 cents. What we had, if I just do a quick recap right now on Tron, I'm looking at the Tron USD pair. The calculation is done by TradingView and the daily chart, and this data is coming from the Binance exchange. All right, so about a week and a half ago, Tron made this intermediate high around 10 cents, and since then it has been selling off with the market. I made a video that it might have stretched a little bit in the short term and are due for a minor pullback, and which we had about a week ago, and then since then it sold off with the overall market, and we found this support on this major trend line. So if I go back on the Tron, the red, if you see this red trend line, that the thick one, it's coming all the way from the December time frame. It have provided the support previously in February. Then it was we broke that support. Basically this trend line is very much attached to Tron in intermediate trading, and I'm really looking for this trend line as a indicator to go long or short in the position. I don't do any short trading for any of the altcoins or any of the coins. I don't think it's worth shorting any of the altcoins, but that's just my preference. All right. So right now what we're seeing is we're coming to this apex right now in Tron. We have this resistance trend line, intermediate resistance trend line, and it might break perhaps maybe today or tomorrow, within next 24 to 48 hours, if the market remains positive and we get some volume into the market. So right now still there is a lot of indecision in the market. We're still trying to figure out if we want to break out of this resistance and make the run toward the higher points, or whether we want to consolidate a little bit more before we have a breakout. So right now we're still in the indecision point. We're still the market is still trying to figure out what it wants to do. So we have to trade it accordingly. If you go into the position right now, I would put my stop losses, or I would go with a smaller position, knowing that if it have a retracement, then I can add on a little bit later when the market sells off and have a better price average. So a couple of things that you can do right now, or you can just sit on your hands. You let the market figure it out which direction it wants to go in, and then you play accordingly. So there are a few different strategies that you can use at this junction. As I said, we are at the apex, and there's just indecision right now. Market is trying to push right higher right now. I was looking at the Bitcoin. I made that video yesterday. Bitcoin, if we can finish over that resistance trend line, and we kind of did. So if you look at this, the trading that happened yesterday in Bitcoin, we just barely coming. We made that doji yesterday on the daily, and now it's trying to make that push higher. If we can make a push higher today, you will see some follow through volume, and we can easily go toward 9,000 mark in Bitcoin today if we get some volume in the trading. All right, coming back to Tron real quick and do a recap. So Tron is at the apex right now. Maybe it will have there's a possible breakout within 24 to 48 hours in Tron. That will really dictate based on the volume. So if the volume picks up, then I can I will be more, it will be more convincing that it's not a fake out and it's a proper breakout for intermediate at least, and then we have to reevaluate how the overall market is looking and what are the next points that we can again, our resistance level or the target points that we need to look for to take some profit or put in our stop loss position when we go to those level. All right, so next level that I can see for Tron, 8 cents will be next level, and then it's going to be 0.093 for Tron. On the support side, it's going to be 0.065 is a good support. Then we have this trend line, obviously is a good support to look for, because this will for me, this trend line is quite important for the future trading for Tron, if you need to stay over that. That is pretty much it on Tron. One thing that I want to mention is a lot of these altcoins are in similar fashion. They're trading in very similar fashion, especially the bigger one, the well-known altcoins. So that really goes back and proves the point that I was keep on making. A lot of these coins are trading on technicals, right? There are really a lot of technical trading that is going on in this coin. So do keep that in mind. All right. That's pretty much it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit those notifications and those bell icon so you can get this content right away. As you probably know, this crypto market is very dynamic and is constantly changing, so you want to make sure you're staying up to date with the market and you're getting the latest content. All right, and if you think these videos are helping you with your trading, with the investing, then please give me a thumbs up. That really means a lot, and we'll bring you some more videos soon. All right, talk to you soon.